Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to get custom position in chess.com. Open the chess.com app. Tap on the option More that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Under the section for Learn, you'll be able to find this option for Analysis. Tap on it. Tap on the option Set a Position that you can see at second. Once you do that, you'll be able to do the custom setup. You can simply tap on the pieces that you would like to move. Drag it to the position of your choice. You can also choose to clear the board. For that, tap on the option for Options that you can see at bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Clear Board that you can see on the screen. Now the board will be cleared. Now you'll be able to choose the pieces that you want in the board. Simply tap on the piece of your choice and drag it to the position of your choice. Once you're done, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to analyze the positions. If you want to play it, you'll be able to play it against the computer. For that, tap on this option for Options that you can see at bottom. Tap on the option Practice versus Computer that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to play the game. You'll be able to play it like you normally do. You can play it against the Stockfish, which is the maximum strength of the bot. In mobile, you'll not be able to change the bot, but if you're using the PC, you'll be able to change the bot too. Simply proceed to play the game in the position that you set up. Like this, you'll be able to get custom position in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.